welcome to this YouTube channel. I am Priyanka Rajan. I am an MBA graduate in HR. I am so happy and excited because this is my first video in YouTube. Okay viewers, initially I have planned to upload videos regarding human resource management concepts. I will try to cover all the concepts under human resource management, and later I will try to upload videos regarding other topics also. Okay, without wasting much time, I will enter into the topic. In this video, we are going to learn about the topics like what is human resource management and what are the skills needed for the HR manager and the objective of HRM and the scope of the HRM. What is human resource management? First of all, we need to know about what is human resource. The people or an employee who work in an organization is called as human resource. Then, human resource management is a strategic approach to the effective management of the people in a company or an organization such that they help their business gain a competitive advantage. Which means the human resource department uses some strategies, that is a detailed plan to manage the people in a company to gain a competitive advantage. Competitive advantage means to be better than the opponents or to win the opponents. Human resource management department usually involved in the process of recruiting, selecting and inducting and providing orientation to the employees and to give the training and development, and they have to do regularly performance appraisal. Then they have to decide the compensation and provide benefits to the employees, and they have to regularly motivate the employees and to maintain proper relationship with the employees and their trade unions, and they have to ensure the employees safety, welfare and health measures in compliance with the labor law. What are the skills needed for the HR manager? I have given the 4 most important skills which is needed for the HR manager. The first one is agility, which means you should be a versatile personality. That is how efficiently you are going to respond to the changing employee expectation, workplace disruption and business requirements, and to make the right decision. The second one is analytics, which means the analytical skills which is needed, which includes the logical and reasoning thinking, forecasting and research, and the ability to collect the data and analyze the information and to problem solve and to make the right decision. Third one is the most important skills which is needed for the HR manager, that is communication, because we are going to communicate with the lower level employees to the higher level employees, so that we should be very transparent in our communication, and we should have a strong written and verbal communication. The last one is the empathy and compassion, which means to put your legs in others' shoe, which means to think in the other point of view. Mostly the top HR manager will have the open door policy, that is they will allow the employees to give the suggestion, and when we really care for the employees, it will create a trust in us, and which will engage them in the work and motivate them, and they get satisfied, which eventually increases the productivity. Objectives of HRM. The first one is to help the organization to achieve its goal. Every organization will have their own goal. As a HR, it is our responsibility to achieve the organizational goal by framing the right policies, strategies and procedures, and to recruit the right persons. The second one is to employ a skilled workforce and focus on their training and development. It is important to recruit the right person at right time, at right place, at right job, and to focus on their training and development. And the third one is to ensure employee job satisfaction and to maintain the quality of work life. It is the HR responsibility to check each and every employee's job satisfaction and each and every employee's needs and requirements, and to give proper rewards and recognition. The fourth one is the societal objective. It is important that our goal should be legal, ethical and socially responsible manner to meet the needs and the challenges of the society. Scope of the HRM. I have given the scope of the HRM in 3 aspects, that is personal aspect and welfare aspect and industrial relation aspect. In personal aspect, there is manpower planning, recruitment, selection and transfer, promotion, training and development, layoff and retrenchment, remuneration and productivity. These and all come under the personal aspects. In welfare aspect, it involves such as working condition, amenities such as canteen, restroom and lunchroom facilities, creatures, housing, transport, medical assistance, education, health and safety, and recreation facility. In this, creature means it is like a nursery where babies and young children are cared during their mom or dad working in that organization. And recreation facility is like a time for relaxation, like playing tennis. In some organization they will provide these facilities. In industrial relation aspect, it involves union management relation, joint consultation, collective bargaining, grievance and disciplinary procedure, settlement of dispute. In this, the joint consultation means it is a committee which is made up of the manager and the employee representative who come together on a regular basis to discuss the issue on the mutual concern. And then the collective bargaining means a group of people will have the demand to the employers and they will get by bargaining it. And the grievance and disciplinary procedures is like they will take the disciplinary action against the wrong employees, and they will collect the grievances and solve the grievances. And settlement of disputes, if any disputes arise between the employee and the employer and employee, they will solve the dispute. We all know about Bill Gates. This is a quote given by Bill Gates which is related to human resource management. Take away 20 best employees away. I will tell you that Microsoft would become an unimportant company. This quote shows that how important human resource in an organization. Okay viewers, thank you for watching my video. If you like my video,